Okay, recording. 100 degrees Fahrenheit here. Water in the tank. System's running at 20 psi, just under. And the relays are clicking on and off because it's trying to maintain the temperature. So when we add the buckets of snow to the water, I'll drop the system temperature and the heating elements should all go back on. So, go for snow.
Go get there's snow, that's what the problem.
They'll be fine. Dump it all in there. Three lights are on.
Nice. That was pretty damn quick.
It's a fast response, yeah.
Shoot more snow?
Yep, all of it.
Okay, we're down to 86. 86 degrees.
Okay. So now we gotta wait.
82. Oh shit.
This might take a while.
Regardless, the thing does its job.
Right.
Now it's back up to 86.
Okay. $88. Temperature?
90.
90.
Another 12 degrees before it kicks off again?
Should be back to about 100, right? So
It's like 102 before they first started kicking off.
Okay. If we do another video, we should do a little less snow.
Less snow?
Yeah, just for shorter recording time.
Yeah, that was apparently more of an effect than I thought it would have, quite honestly. I didn't think it was going to drop it by 18 degrees.
91.
This thing is badass.
What?
It's pretty cool. It's badass. If we get the third element hooked up,
We'll do this in no time. As long as it doesn't flip the breaker then.
well, yeah.
But it shouldn't. I mean, definitely not in theory.
So the control module is telling the relays what to do?
Essentially.
It's telling it what to do based on the temperature of the water. So we set the goal for the temperature, and when it hits that goal, it shuts off. But once it falls below a certain value, it flips the elements back on in a predetermined fashion, which is 1 second interval right now. Which, with 3 elements, we may have to change to avoid the spike.
To avoid the spike?
Because when you start up pretty much any current, drawing device, like it shoots above it. So if you do that with like a bunch of devices at once, they all shoot above it.
Yeah, I watched Apollo 13.
Exactly. That's exactly it.
That's why we have our motor running for like 5 seconds before we run the rest of it. Because motors are notorious for
They
big
take
curves.
longer to reach steady
95.
state.
Getting ready to text Jamie. It works. You sure you didn't wreck a relay or something?
It's heating at a decent rate.
True. So our voltage there.
117.
Still have our
117.
voltage there.
Should be 0. 0.
Wow, we're pro. I gotta measure voltage on
This is gonna be
this.
all wiring mil-spec connectors and stuff.
Wow. Like I've got some motorsport or autosport connectors we could use for our temperature sensors and things, but we can't afford autosports right now for everything else. 99.
99. You're close.
Don't you need a power source?
Yes. Damn it. Oh man. It's suspenseful.
You have 4 LEDs in picture here.
Well here I'll go back to measuring voltage here as well.
Put the multimeter here, Tony. So we should be able to see the voltage drop when the lights click off.
Only at 100.
Need more power.
I'm giving us some God, Captain.
I don't think it likes that snow.
Hey, go to the other one. Same thing?
Yeah. Yeah, they're all still on as indicated by the LEDs. Oh,
102.
Lights are out.
102 is where it kicks.
So that's it. It works.
And it's amazing, both times that as soon as that hit 102 pretty much, that's when we lost it.
Let's hold 102 for a minute. Well, we don't even need to. It'll hold it indefinitely now. It's in loop. So let's do the cooldown or stopping cycle. You hit stop. The pump will run for 10 seconds. Heating elements go off completely. Stand by for shutdown. And it all works.
We're done. Let's go home.